Masa is the first largest identity protocol to provide identity infrastructure using soulbound token (SBT). The soulbound token concept was first introduced by Vitalik Buterin on May 11, 2022. Unlike non-fungible token (NFT), soulbound token is non-assignable and represents any attribute on Web3 as an on-chain identity. The main goal of implementing soulbound token is to create a real and engaged Web3 community, track participation, and reward them. A few days ago, Masa announced the launch of Masa Base Camp on Coinbase, Base testnet. Base testnet brings identity implementation which include the soulbound identity, base soul name, and Mainnet allowed list. Go to tutorial. First, you need Base Goerli to mint base soul name. If you don't have it, you can bridge Ethereum Goerli to Base Goerli. I will include all the necessary links for the Base Camp testnet in the video description. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum Goerli you want to bridge to Base Goerli. Click Deposit Ethereum. Confirmation in your MetaMask wallet. Now you have Base Goerli. We enter the Base Camp testnet. Switch back to Base Goerli. Confirmation in your MetaMask wallet. Get started. Approve in your wallet. Because I have mint base soul name before, so I already have some. Next, go to domains. After entering this page, you will be given the option to fill in the domain name as you wish and how long before it expires. I will mint babayaga.base within 2 years. Click Register your domain. Approve in your wallet. Hooray! You have successfully mint your base domain.